If God had a dream, what would it be? If he had a vision, something that he wanted to do, a grand design, what would that be? David thought about this and he said, Lord, I looked to the skies, I looked at all the things that you've made, and I wonder, what is man that you are mindful of him? What is the Son of Man that you visited him? You are God's dream. You are the manifestation of his vision. God has always wanted to have fellowship, but he can have full fellowship, not with the sun, not with the moon, not with animals. God only finds this in the recreated Christian, in the recreated person. And that's what we have. Discover more in today's Rhapsody Realities. And I want you to join me to help others discover this reality. Click on that link today and become a sponsor. I love you. Have a great day. God bless you.